Ever pondered over the invisible forces that allow a compass to point north? The secret lies in magnetic fields. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of magnetic field lines. Imagine if you could see the forces at play around a magnet. Picture invisible arrows flowing from one point to another, forming a continuous loop. These arrows are what scientists refer to as magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines offer a visual representation of the magnetic field around a magnet. They are not physical lines that exist in reality, but rather they are a way for us to visualize and understand the patterns of magnetic force. Now, every magnet has two poles, north and south. An interesting thing happens here. Magnetic field lines emerge from the North Pole and loop around to the South Pole. They form a closed loop, running from the North Pole to the South Pole on the outside of the magnet and continuing their path from the South Pole to the North Pole inside the magnet. So, what does this mean? It means that magnetic field lines never intersect or overlap with each other. If they did, it would imply the existence of two different magnetic fields at the same point, which isn't possible. Moreover, the density of these lines varies. It's denser near the poles, where the magnetic force is the strongest, and less dense further away. This variation in density is why magnets attract objects more strongly at their poles than at their sides. In summary, magnetic field lines are conceptual lines used to represent magnetic forces. They emerge from the North Pole and enter the South Pole, forming a continuous loop. They never intersect, and their density varies, being most dense at the poles. Understanding magnetic field lines paves the way for comprehending the invisible yet powerful forces that drive many of the technologies we rely on today. From navigation tools like compasses to massive generators and even the Earth's protective magnetic field, this unseen force plays a crucial role in our lives. So, the next time you see a compass needle swing north, remember the unseen magnetic field lines continuously flowing from pole to pole, making that tiny movement possible.